Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to find Themes app and click on it. Then tap on Themes section at the top. Click on the search bar, select one of those themes, or tap on one of those categories, in my case, free. Now select the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Finally, you can hit download at the bottom. Wait a couple of seconds and select apply. Then select what do you wish to do with magazine unlock. Discard it or keep it. Finally, when I tap on home button, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to the default one, access Themes app again. But this time go to the main screen and select Me at the bottom right corner. Now you need to scroll down and click on one of your themes. I will go with this one. Lastly, select Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!